I'm going to show now a free tool that any agent can use to go ahead and get, let me see if I can go back to the beginning, to go ahead and get a free video created for any listing you have. If you want to make a free video of it, you don't know how, this one will do the whole thing for you. So again, this is free. It's called Listing Cake by Guerrilla Realty. You just call it Listing Cake. You just go there, make a free account, and then it pops up like this. The first thing you want to do, you upload your videos. So I'm going to click here, find my videos. I'm just going to upload these ones I did for a different house. And let me just do a couple. I don't need all of them. Just so you can kind of have an idea what it looks like. I upload my videos. You could put all your MLS videos in there. Then you hit next. Then it's going to let you put in the property details. I'm just going to pretend this is what it is. And then if I wanted my contact, I would change all this to my information, of course. Once you've done that and you change the information, the property, everything, right now it looks just like this, a nice basic generic video that's just going to play. If I want to make it more basic, I can do this and the video will have this information. I can also do here, make it at the bottom. I can do it in different colors, red, blue. See, polished red looks like that. Polished blue, sorry, that's polished red. Crop blue looks like that at the bottom. That's kind of nice. Can also do crop red. I would probably do one of those. I like the simple look. And then I'd have my basic video right there ready to go on both sides. Then I can hit next. And then you can see if I want to pick some background music, I'm going to just pick this one. There it is. If I play the music, I can kind of see what it sounds like. And there's the basic music. If I don't like that one, I can do this music. And kind of that one's not bad. I would pick a music. It looks good. Hit next. And then if everything looks okay, I can name it, like test one. And then I have it named, and then you just process video. Say you're sure you want it and say, yep, I want to do it. And then it's going to do it and it's going to process it. So this is one I just did earlier to practice. So if I wanted to view the video, if I hit view, see, it's going to start playing the video right here. As you can see, all it is, it's a slideshow video. And you can hear the music playing. And it's going to go through and create that video in those slideshows. And that's literally all that it is of everything you've done there. And you can download it now. I can do whatever I want. And I'm going to close it out. So I was making the other one I was just practicing. So you can make unlimited videos here in Listing Cake with all of your videos for all your properties. So another great way to do this, if you work with certain builders, like say I have a builder that I work with, like I like to work right now. One of my Phil Mercer gave me an inventory for some of the D.R. Horton that has like 6 or 7%. So say I wanted to do this property here with 7%, I could just take there, go to my MLS, and then when I go to my MLS, I would find the property. If it wasn't sold already, I would find the property. So not that one because that's sold. But that's an example. And then I would open it up, and then I would right click, save image as, and then just a JPEG like you want. And I would download all the pictures. Once I have all the pictures downloaded and I have the property, I would literally just, I like the word literally, sorry. I would just go through and do the same thing. And I click on these 3 lines, create video. And then I could do it for every home out there, like every new home that's for sale that they want me to help advertise. And I could have all those videos ready to go on all my social media. Because remember, once you have a video ready and it's good and it's up, at that point, you can put it on your Facebook, your YouTube, your TikTok, anywhere you want to put it. You can throw it in there very easy and keep it very simple, but also look very professional, like you saw right there. And you can brand it. You don't have to brand it. Any of that can be there. But this is a very easy way to make free videos and to get everything branded for you at no charge. If you haven't liked or subscribed to the channel, please do so. Appreciate your support. Talk to you soon.